Hello, welcome to Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. If you like what you see today, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video. We are back with Black Rifle Coffee Company, and we're going to check out If Veterans Were in Horror Movies Part 2. So, first one was great. Super funny, so we're gonna check out, see if Matt Best and the crew can keep it going. If Veterans Were in Horror Movies, Part 2. Let it roll.
So last Halloween, we had a lot of fun killing evil spirits, but this year we wanted to up the ante. So we may or may have not rented the most haunted house in Texas. And I didn't know it rang that way. Let me take this. Hello?
I'm gonna gut you like a fish.
Now that is the spirit. Where are you?
I'm already in the house.
You're in the house? Guys, he's in the house! He's in... Guys, first one's already in, though you are super prepared this year. Wow. Jared, no crossbow this year.
Went shoddy.
Nice. Is it loaded? Again.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay, here. Air Force friend. There you go.
They tease him because he's an Air Force guy.
50s, huh?
Yeah, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. Am I right?
Logan, how's the demon girlfriend from last year?
Breakup was a little rough, but I am single and...
Yep. Good luck, Eli.
That was
glad
her.
You can make it this
I
year.
brought my fancy ones.
Eli. Eli.
Oh, God, why would you... Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Boys, shall we?
This is what happens tomorrow, my friends.
I've never seen a movie with toys that was scary. I don't get it. I don't get the little kid stuff that's in horror movies, but these guys are just hilarious with that.
My friends.
Hunting ghosts and eating snacks.
Looks like They Live. John Carpenter.
Anybody notice this picture?
You hear the demon that went inside of him and said, "Get me out of here."
That's 15 years MREs.
Did he just choke on the hot dog?
Does anyone know CLS?
I am not putting my mouth on that.
Nope.
Yeah, no.
Nope.
Do we give him military honors?
I don't think so for choking on a hot dog.
Hope it works. Let's split up.
Looking for ghosts in all the wrong places. Looking for ghosts. I want to play. Now come out wherever you are.
Richard, do you want to come play?
I'd love to play.
You'll float.
Nope. You'll burn.
It's like Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
I am shooting ghosts. Middle of nowhere.
The Shining.
No, I'm good.
Smart man. I've expected a combat role there. No combat roll.
I have a 50 caliber. You have a chainsaw. Knife to a gunfight. Not a reliable chainsaw. Push the choke. The other button, it should be under it.
So helpful.
There you go, big guy.
So I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a decent amount of fun. The group is having a blast, but I've been frustrated in the fact that someone said they'd gut me like a fish, and I can't find them. But I have a solution.
Classic. When in doubt, get in the shower because the bad guy will come. Like moths to a flame.
Surprise, motherfucker! I am a classy lady.
Oh, whew. Oh, such a good flick.
Is that more of The Shining?
Single as what?
I'm just trying to have a good time
No,
with my friends.
what did I hear? You are single
Get
as
my gun
what?
on, and once
She's
we're
back.
done, you won't let me do anything.
Single as what?
All right, I said I was single.
Do you know how hard it is to come back from the afterlife?
I don't even know how this is possible.
Listen, I love you. Who are you? Back to us. Kiss me.
Right. Okay. Yeah. That was an amazing time.
Fantastic!
Great.
Love the
Great
couch.
fun.
I got a kill with my gold desert eagle.
I got a flamethrower and a double-decker kill.
I am back in a...
Relationship! Your hoodie is so comfortable, by the way. We're looking at rings. Save the date.
Hey guys, that cemetery work.
Oh, howdy. What's up, man?
USMC.
Nice, Semper Fi.
I poisoned the
Hoorah.
water for you. They're coming.
Guys, the night's not over. I found a friend who poisoned
Poison
the
water well.
And there's a horde of zombies on the way, so let's have some more fun.
Good thing I'm already dead, you jerk.
Oh, that was a bad spin chair. Let me try that again. Well, the last zombie horde is gone. And it is amazing to see that ridding the world of evil brings such a diverse group of people together. But I guess that's America. Cheers, and happy Halloween. Oh, it's terrible. BlackRifleCoffee.com. That's how we make these stupid videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, God.
Wow. Wow. Too funny. If veterans were in horror movies, part 2, Black Rifle Coffee Company. Uh, again, God love military humor, gallows humor. Good stuff. Good stuff. If you like what you saw today, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This is Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. I'll see you next video.